You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast. Today, we're sharing a real story from one of our clients who traded city life for Costa Rica's mountain sunshine. When Thomas and Elena from Miami decided to move to Costa Rica, they wanted a simpler lifestyle, morning coffee with mountain views instead of morning traffic. But they didn't want chaos in getting there. That's when they called SDC International Shipping. We begin with a detailed video survey of their home, built a custom plan, and managed both sea freight for furniture and vehicles and a small air shipment for immediate essentials. Our packing crew used export-grade materials for tropical climates and created a complete inventory for customs. Their container sailed through the port, cleared customs smoothly, and reached their home just as they were ready. The SDC team delivered, unpacked, and even reassembled furniture, all in one day. Elena told us, "I thought moving abroad would be stressful." Instead, SDC made it feel like we had friends in every country we passed through. That's what door-to-door truly means. From your old front door in America to your new one abroad, handled by one caring team. Let SDC make your Costa Rica move feel as warm and welcoming as your new home. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or call 877-339-0267 for your free international moving quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.